Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5. And firstly we need to turn off these headphones. So at the right ear cup we have multifunctional button between volume up and volume down buttons. You need to press and hold it to turn off your headphones. Here we go. Now these headphones are disconnected from your phone. We can see it at the device list. At the Apple devices we have the information that there is no connection. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices, also meaning that your headphones are disconnected. After that, we need to press and hold this button again to turn on these headphones. Here we go. And now your earbuds should reconnect automatically with your phone, and we have connection. So with this method you can fix a lot of small troubles with your headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!